Doing some more work at the cottage. What I'm doing is I am insulating up in the attic where the water pressure tank is and the hot water heater. I just cut those pieces of wood, see the angle on the ends, to brace them up. So basically, up here, this little cottage got this big old HVAC system. See, I got the foam there, and the pipes are wrapped with the heat strips. So last winter it worked. No, the pipes didn't freeze. After the initial freeze, when I had to replace the one in the wall, after that, no more issues. But this is the only thing I have in the front, because I had a guest come in. They burst that early in that morning. The guest that was in here checked out. I came over. The doggone no water pressure because all the pipes are frozen. So I had to basically do this fast. And this is what I had come up with, and it worked all winter. So I got some time. I noticed the morning's starting to get cold again. Well, the nights and the mornings starting to get a little nippy. So I'm gonna do away with this thing and just frame this in so that, again, the pressure tank and the water heater will be framed in. Alright, I got my little blanket down. See, you can see the insulation box basically that I made. So I'm about to frame this in and put up the other insulation that I bought. Oh yeah, that can move over. That's nice, easy. All right, let's do it. All right, those are screwed in. I really do not like working in the attic. It's so hot in here, sweating. All right, let me go start measuring and cutting my foam. All right, there we go, all done. It is sealed. The spray foam. So it's like that little triangle cavity right there is sealed in. Push this in right there. Don't laugh at my little door. Okay. Get some light in here. It seals. You see the spray foam in the gap right there, sealed in. That's the heater. So when I turn the heater on, it maintains the temperature in here. And the pipes are wrapped with the heat tape, so the heater keeps the space warm, plus the pipes have heat tape on them. So that's that. See my little door made right there. The door's closed. More spray foam right there. Insulation up there. Okay, spray foam on top there. Spray foam. Need to stick some on top of here, but that's the only gap right there. The one up on top right there. But other than that, everything is sealed in. I'm gonna put a thermometer in there too, so when I come up to check on it, I can see what the temperature in there is.